This video is entirely AI generated. From the voice to the visuals, everything you see is created by advanced technology. Welcome to the future of content creation, where automation meets creativity. Imagine a world where anyone can produce high-quality videos without being tech-savvy. That's where AI steps in. With tools like Autoshots.ai, users can effortlessly generate and post engaging content tailored to their niche. This process begins by selecting a topic and customizing settings such as language and voice model. The app then takes over, producing videos based on these parameters, allowing creators to focus more on strategy and less on production. AI not only streamlines the content creation process, but also enhances engagement. By analyzing viewer preferences and trends, it tailors content to maximize reach and impact. The ability to generate faceless videos means anyone can become a creator without showing their face, maintaining anonymity while still engaging audiences. The future is bright for AI in content creation, transforming how we share ideas and stories. Embrace this innovation and elevate your content strategy today with AI-powered tools, making your creative dreams a reality.